Hi, I'm Jeff Macy, the principal at North Hardin High School, and love North Hardin. Want you to know that if you are a student here, you can be as successful as you want to be. You can pursue whatever dream you want to pursue. The teachers, the staff, the admin team, the counselors, custodians, you name it, our cafeteria folks, everybody in this building is here to help you reach your potential and make your dreams come true. So work hard, and the sky's the limit.
Hi, my name is Leslie Hall, and I am the coordinator for North Hardin High School's Youth Services Center. Tonight, we would like to welcome you to North Hardin High School's open house for the 23-24 school year. And we're here, right now it's the freshman's time, but we have times for sophomores, juniors, and seniors coming up. Just to welcome the students back, get schedules, look around, and we have some sports and some other vendors in the cafeteria for everybody to see. Well, when it comes to the Youth Service Center here at North and Family Resource and Youth Service Centers throughout Hardin County, what I always like to say to the new folks is if you have a question and you don't know who to ask or where to go, Family Resource and Youth Service Center is the place to come, because if we don't have the answer or the product or whatever it is you need, we will help find it, or we will get you there to it. But we all like to service our students from head to toe, from counseling to socks and everything in between, and that's my little spiel I give every year.
I'm Katrina Johnson. I'm a freshman sophomore guidance counselor for alphabets A through K. Today we are here at Open House passing out schedules, answering questions. If a schedule needs changed, we do ask that you email the appropriate counselor, and if you're unsure of who that is, it is on the school website.
I'm Kelly Dean, and I'm a bus driver. We are doing transportation for the parents and the students to find out what the route is, what the bus is, the bus numbers, and what time is pick up and drop off.
What's up, guys? I'm Kayla Dole. I've been teaching here for over 7.5 years at North Hardin High School. We're super excited to start our social studies year. I also am the awkward rando that helps coach ROTC, so if you're interested in joining, come see me. I help spin the rifles, and we also present the colors at every football game and basketball game. So, come see me.
Hey, CW4 retired Edward Dick. I'm the junior ROTC senior Army instructor here at North Hardin High School. We are here at the open house getting ready for Wednesday, because that's when it all starts all over again, the school year 23-24. I'm excited because of all the things that our junior ROTC program has been building up to, the third year for me. After 28 years of serving in the Army, the wife told me I had to find something to do, so here I am. I've been really enjoying instructing the students, watching them grow in the program, watching them graduate and do bigger, better things, whatever that is, when they leave here and leave these halls here at North Hardin High School. The reason I'm super excited is a little bit, my hobby is carpentry, so out back of the school, after getting all the red tape and paperwork done, you will see I've been rebuilding our Raider team obstacle course out back. So in addition to all the good things, the drill teams, the color guards, our honor guard, we now have a top-notch Raider course for our guys to really practice and get ready to compete, because Nationals is coming here to Fort Knox, Kentucky, which is exciting for us because it's right in our own backyard. And so for me, that's a little bit about myself, and looking forward to this school year kicking off. Have fun.